question on a lot of our minds tonight. What should you do if you think you have any symptoms of coronavirus? Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Suzanin gives us a look at the recommendations.
Doctors say hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. So let's talk. What if tomorrow morning you wake up feeling ill? First of all, remember to stay home from work or school just to be safe. The key question you need to ask is, how sick are you? If it's an emergency, dial 911 and seek medical attention right away. But if you're suffering from flu-like symptoms, don't rush to a hospital. If we all did that, they'd be inundated. Instead, pick up your phone. Hospitals like Hartford Healthcare have set up text lines and hotlines you can contact 24 hours a day. If a screener feels you may be ill, they'll likely set you up to talk with a doctor, possibly through a video conference call using your tablet or computer. Even if the doctor believes you may have the coronavirus, keep in mind hospitals can't provide you with a test. Results can only come from the Department of Public Health. Doctors can collect the sample, but very soon at Hartford Healthcare facilities, you will not even need to come inside. Drive-through testing sites are being developed here. And remember, even if you test positive for the coronavirus, most people can recover at home. Is try to prevent getting sick in the first place. So make sure you practice good hygiene habits and wash your hands often for at least 20 seconds. Roger Suzanin, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.